Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so in math today, we are talking about a couple different things. One part is where we look at something like these cards and we look at the dots and we can then remember and understand how many dots there are without having to count something every time. That's called subitizing. Can you say that word? Subitizing. That's a pretty cool word. I thought it was a pretend word, but it's a real word, okay? Subitizing, okay? So let's practice our subitizing. How many dots do you see? 4. When there's one in each corner, we know that's 4. Now, how many dots are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But we should be able to look at it and not have to count it. We should just know that's 4. Okay? What about this number? See if you can do it without counting the dots. How many? 3. Yeah, don't look at the dot on the other side. Here, I'll hold it up like this. That way you can't see the dot on the other side. How many dots? 3. What's the number? 3. Okay, now, what's the number? 3. That's right. Okay. Now, how many dots? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to be able to look at it and know that's 4. Just like if you hold up this, how many is that? 4. If I hold up like this, how many is that? 2. 1. 5. 3. Okay? That's called subitizing. Now, what's the number? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. It's a little harder. What about this? 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Now, 5. When there's one in each corner and then one in the middle, that's always 5. Now, 2. Good job. Now how many? 3. Good job. Now how many? 2. Now how many? 1. Good job. Okay. So the first part was subitizing, okay? So we look at something and we can understand how many there are of something without having to count it all, right? Okay. Now the second part is addition. This is big math. Yeah, this is like big time. You're going to be using addition all your life. Every time. All the time. Okay. So with addition is just a fancy way of saying all together or combine. You put stuff together. Yes, I know you notice my nails. I can hear you. Not really, but I know what you're saying. All together. Say all together. Good. Combine. That means put it together. Okay? That is what addition is. That's when we put something together. Okay? Now, when we're putting things together, we have to remember there's usually one that is more or the most. That means like the bigger amount. And then another one is fewer or fewest or least. Okay, that means smaller. Okay, with each of the numbers that we put together, one is fewer and one is more. And sometimes you have numbers that are the same number as. That means they're equal. They're the same. Sometimes you have that, okay? So the second part is our addition, our combining or putting it together, okay? So I'm going to use my subitizing cards. And what number is this? 1, Can you see this? Okay, hold up. I'm going to tilt my screen. Hopefully my phone won't fall. Oh, it's not quite high enough, is it? Well, okay. I'm going to use my little box here. Put it on top. Okay. So, I have 1. Now, how many do I have? What's my other number here? 3. I have 3. So, I'm going to put 3 cubes now together. Right here. Please be nice, little box. Okay. So, I have 1 and 3. I'm going to combine them, put them together. How many do I have all together? What's my total? What's my total, guys? Say 3 plus 1. One more is what? 4. I don't have to count them all over again. I know that's 3. Say 3 and go to the next number. 4. So how many all together? 4. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to put this over here where you can't see. I don't want it to confuse you. Okay. Now, let's see. How about this number? How many do I have? 2. So, I have 2. Now, how many? 1, 2, 3. How many? 3. So, 3. I'm going to combine them. I'm going to combine them, friends. Putting them together. The fancy word is addition. We're going to combine them. And so now how many? Well, we need to think about which one is the most. Which one is the most? When we combine them, first let's compare. Which one do we have the most of? The 3 or the 2? The 3 is more. So say 3. We don't need to count these over again. Say 3, 4, 5. How many do we have all together when we combine them? 5. That's our total. All together is 5. Okay. Now what about if, just a second. How many? I'll cover up that. 3. Okay, so 3. Okay, now, how many? 1. When we compare, what do we have the most of? What do we have the most? We have this one with the 3 is more. It's the most. Which one do we have fewer of? 1. 1 is smaller. It's fewer. Not as many things. So start with the bigger number. Say 3. Add on 1 more. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Say all together, I have 4. Good job. Okay. So let me do another one. See what our time is. Okay. So now how many do I have? 4. Okay. So if I have 4, I have 4, friends.
Are you still teaching?
Uh-huh. I have 4. I'm making my math video. I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to combine. Oh, first I got to subitize. How many do I have? 1. So what do I have the most of? Is 4 the most or 1 the most? 4 is the most. It's bigger. So we're going to add on. Say 4 plus 1 more is what? Go up 1 number. 4, 5. Say 5 altogether. 5 altogether. Good job. Okay. Well, you did a wonderful job today. I am really, really proud of you. we did subitizing and we did adding. We put things together and we talked about which one was the bigger number, what we had the most of, and what we had the least of. Yeah, that was wonderful. I am really proud of you guys. Now I'm going to be showing you, I'll just go on and show you now. The math page is a page that you are going to be doing. It's addition. Okay, so you're going to be doing the addition. Okay, we're going to do hot chocolate addition. Hot chocolate addition. So remember, when you're doing it, you want to use your pencil and you want to cross out as you count it. So you'll cross it and go 1, 2, 3. Let me show you with my pencil. If I can find my pencil. If my pencil didn't grow legs and walk off. Hold it. Okay. Now, so I'm going to cross it out with my pencil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. I'm going to write that number up here. Oh, down here, I mean, on the blank. 3. Plus, how many more? Let's cross it out and count it. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm going to write the number below. 3 plus 3. They're the same. They're the same number. So you can start with either one. Say 3, 4, 5, 6. All together, how many do we have? 6. Okay, so we had 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All together is 6. We're combining them. Okay, so for each one, you're going to go through and count. And then you'll see which one you have the most of. This is 4 plus 3. So when you have 4 and 3, which number is bigger? The 4. So you don't have to count 4 all over again. Just say 4 and then count up. 5, 6, 7. So all together, your answer would be 7. Okay, friends? That is your homework for today. I am super proud of you for participating and listening and learning. Great job, guys. Keep up the great work. And don't forget, anytime your family can work with you and play some number bingo and have you write your numbers in your binder, awesome practice. Okay? Great, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.